Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startups across our country. Now the question is that why you should watch this interview. You should watch this interview if you are a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest. You should watch this interview to learn from the best ever experiences our interviewees have had. So let's get started. For today's interview, we have Mr. Nikhil Pawar, who is an advanced fitness trainer and nutritionist from Haridabad. He has completed 60 plus certification in entrepreneurship and startup management. He is currently pursuing BBA entrepreneurship from Bennett University, Times of India. So let's know more about this young startup with its young CEO from Nikhil himself. Good afternoon, sir. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are really grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay. So my name is Nikhil Pawar. I am the founder of Gym Trainers, and I'm currently pursuing BBA Entrepreneurship from Bennett University, Times of India. I'm a student. I have completed 60 plus certifications in startup management and entrepreneurship, and I am a master trainer and nutritionist based in Faridabad.
Okay, great. So my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup?
I used to be a chubby kid back in my school, so I decided, let's go to a gym. I hired my local trainer for personal coaching, and after a few days, he started behaving like a salesman. कि body बनानी है तो आप ये protein ले लो, fat cut करना है तो fat cutter लीजिए. Then I decided कि everything is moving online. Let's search a trainer online. I came across with Healthify Me. And there, my experience is quite good, but it is quite expensive for me as a student. So I took it, but it's quite expensive. Later, I met with an injury in the gym. I opened my phone because I want to talk to my trainer at that moment. So वहाँ पे मैंने देखा कि book appointment button is flashing. So I'm like shocked. Yeah, I have paid decently big amount for hiring a trainer, and now they are asking me to book an appointment. और मुझे अपॉइंटमेंट 2 दिन बाद का मिल रहा था. So there is no either way.
Okay.
So I guess नहीं इससे नहीं हो पाएगा. So after I guess 1 year, I decided to pursue this diploma in personal training and all those things. I trained few of my friends at my college, and then I decided to let's scale this up.
Okay, great. So sir, after commencement, what was the most difficult part in the early stage of the journey?
Basically building the technology. I am not a tech guy. I'm a management student, and for that I have came across with 7 freelancers who cheated me. It cost me around 1 lakh rupees, और 7 developers में से किसी ने भी मुझे प्रोडक्ट बना के नहीं दिया.
Okay.
So 1 lakh rupees for a student is a big amount. So उसके बाद I decided to let's search a co-founder. I came across with a person called Sahil Verma. I met him through LinkedIn, and currently he is my co-founder and CTO of the company.
Great. So sir, answering my earlier question, you mentioned the market gap that you identified. So now I want to know that what are the exactly products and services that you deliver to your customers?
Okay. We basically provide personal coaching, and we are not into general well-being kind of thing. We are basically into transformation. Okay. If you want to transform in next 6 months, तो आप pure fit वगैरह किसी पे मत जाइए, आप हमारे पास आइए, because of the affordability, and we are specialized in transformations. So this is our main product.
Great. So could you
please repeat the question?
I was saying what are the products and services that you provide to your customers?
Okay. So this is the main service we are providing, and our main thing is that we will provide 8 kind of facilities to our clients, in which we provide supplement list, grocery list, music playlist, WhatsApp and all those things which complement each other. If you get any diet plan from a trainer, तो आपको इशू आएगा कि यार डाइट प्लान ले लिया, बट इसके अंदर जो आइटम्स है अब मुझे सेपरेटली बैठ के लिस्ट बनानी पड़ेगी कि क्या क्या इस डाइट प्लान को फॉलो करने के लिए चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट जब आप जिम में गाने वगैरह सुनते हो तो उस टाइम पे आपको हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट करना होता है, तो देयर यू फॉलो कि मुझे ना अगर कौन सी म्यूजिक प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाती बहुत अच्छी सी तो उससे हेल्प होती है. तो बेसिकली वी प्रोवाइड यू फैसिलिटीज इन सिंक्रोनाइज्ड मैनर, वो एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं.
Okay, great. So my next question is quite simple, but still I want you to specify who are your target customers.
Okay, so 83% of the gym goers are in the age group of 18 to 34.
Okay.
and 76% of that people are looking for a serious transformation.
Mhm.
That 76 or 74% of the people are a target audience.
Okay. Basically, who wants to transform from a healthy
Transform
body to zero figure or something?
or
Those are
something
your
like that.
target
Yeah,
customers. Great.
yeah,
So the next thing I want to ask that as per my knowledge, you have many competitors out there, like many in numbers. So
yeah, yeah.
as a customer, why one should choose your products and services over those competitors?
Okay. So basically, we identified 2-3 major problems in the current market. First is that if you want to hire a local trainer, it will easily cost you around 4 or 5,000 rupees a month. और वो
Okay.
ट्रेनर सर्टिफाइड भी नहीं होता. I broke my shoulder few years back because of a uncertified trainer. तो उसकी वजह से I thought कि यार लोकल ट्रेनर से तो काम नहीं होता है. Then I decided let's switch online. Healthify मिला और वहाँ पे उन्होंने मुझे ऑफर किया 3, 6, 12 मंथ पैकेजेस जिसके अंदर वो easily 10 to 25,000 rupees कॉस्ट होती है, which is not affordable for me and as well as for other people. और बेसिकली जो हमारी ऑडियंस है वो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो वो 25,000 ऑब्वियसली अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. सो दिस इज अ मेन थिंग. तो हमने इस चीज को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी हायर्ड न्यू कमर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री टू सर्टिफाइड और we will ask them to provide coaching for 1,500 rupees a month. So number one is price. 1,500 rupees a month for a internationally certified trainer. Number two is we provide you 8 facilities in personal training, which nobody is providing in the country. And the other thing is that 76% of the people are looking for transformation. So हम उन्हीं को अपना product sell करेंगे. And if you want to transform from fat to fit, we will do it for you in next 6 months. We will also provide certain kind of gifts for you if you achieve your goal.
So, sir, the kind of business and startup you have, that must need ample number of people. Like it is not a business of one person. So, I want to know, as a job applicant, if someone is out there seeking job, so why she or she should choose to work with you?
Okay. So the answer is really simple. हमें जो भी ज्वाइन करेगा, first we will transform him or her, which increases his confidence, leads to increase in the self-esteem, creativity, health, and all those things, so that he could live a healthy and good lifestyle, which will also increase his productivity, leads to the increase in the incentives, job, and all those things, incentives and salary. जिसकी वजह से उसकी फैमिली खुश होगी, he will be happy, it will increase their productivity. It's a continuous loop, and we will provide free personal coaching and gym membership to him, including his family and all those things. And basically we put fun over work. So अगर आपको obviously enjoy भी करना है काम के साथ, तो आप हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं.
Okay. So my next question is.
And ESOPs are also included. We will also provide ESOPs.
E-shops. Can you explain what is e-shop?
ESOPs, employee stock options.
Okay, cool. So my next question is very interesting. If not this company, what else you would be doing right now?
I heard the word entrepreneur in my 10th standard. So probably अगर मैं ये startup में कर रहा हूँ, तो कोई और startup किया होगा, और probably I was solving some other problem to another person. I always want to be an entrepreneur. वो tag बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Okay. My next question is that what are the products and services you are in daily requirement of that helps your business to run smoothly?
So basically, we need tech team and server hosting, and we are also planning to launch our own academy, क्योंकि जो trainers हैं वो different academies से certified होते हैं, and few of them are actually nothing, वो बस एक certification दे देते हैं. तो the way trainers should behave, तो वो trainers को नहीं आता. तो हमें basically वो अभी हमें solve करना है issue की training के through. तो we need the people जो train वगैरह कर सकें, process build कर सकें, and server hosting an office, nothing much. We don't require any special kind of service here. ये चीज़ तो चाहिए थी. And we need things जो हर एक tech company को चाहिए होती है, internet, technical guys and all.
Okay. So on what parameters do you select your vendors and suppliers? Is it price? Is it time or convenience? Please elaborate.
Okay. So we are currently seeking for the brand who can collaborate with us, so that both the brands can grow mutually, like supplement brands and all these other 60 brands. So basically we are select our vendors on the basis of कि वो उसका exactly main ambition या goal क्या market में आना था. He was there only for profits or any other thing, because we have treated the prices of personal training from 2, 3, 5,000 rupees to 1,500 rupees. So basically our goal is to reduce the prices, क्योंकि वो actually वो चीज इतनी नहीं deserve करती है और उसके लिए 5-10,000 rupees pay किया जाए और हम पे afford नहीं होता. So basically the main intention is कि वो किस टाइप की क्वालिटी दे सकता है और उसका मेन गोल क्या है मार्केट में एग्जिस्ट करना.
So my next question is quite similar to the earlier question. I wanted to ask that what are the 2 to 3 unique features about your startup that differs you from your competitors?
Okay. So the price I mentioned earlier कि हमने 5,000 से 1,500 कर दिया है is basically a competitive advantage. The main thing is unique about our startup is we have if you have ever used Snapchat, उसमें आपका avatar create हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So we have a similar thing like that. Actually an advanced version है जिसमें हम आपका डेटा कलेक्ट करेंगे, बॉडी फैट, हाइट, वेट एंड ऑल द बाइसेप्स एक्सरसाइजेस. आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग द डेटा हम आपका एक अवतार क्रिएट करेंगे जो एग्जैक्टली आपकी तरह दिखेगा. इवन द बॉडी फैट कंपोजिशन इज सेम. सो आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग दैट अवतार आप वहां पे इस अवतार को क्रिएट करने के बाद कुछ स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दोगे और आप एक एनिमेशन 1 मिनट का आपके अंदर आपके फोन पे प्ले होगा जिसमें आप देख सकते हो कि कैसे एग्जैक्टली आपकी बॉडी रेस्पॉन्ड करने वाली है हमारे डाइट और वर्कआउट प्लान पर. इवन बिफोर हायरिंग अ ट्रेनर कुछ पे नहीं करना, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली. तो 1 मिनट का आपका एनिमेशन चलेगा जिसमें डे 1 से लेकर डे 100 तक आपका अवतार आपके साथ ट्रांसफॉर्म होता जाएगा. उसके बाद द सेकंड थिंग इज दैट कि आपका अवतार हमने क्रिएट कर दिया. व्हेनेवर यू लॉग अ वेट, क्या मेरा 80 kg वेट था 79 हो गया, तो आपका जो अवतार है उसका भी 1 kg वेट लूज हो जाएगा वहां से आफ्टर गुड एनिमेशन का बड़ा ऐसा पॉपअप आया और उसके बाद एनिमेशन आया, आपके अवतार का भी 1 kg फैट लूज हुआ.
Okay.
The other thing is that we are planning to build a thing कि new beginners जब भी जिम जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें इशू आता है कि यार हमने जिम ज्वाइन कर लिया, हमें पर्सनल कोचिंग भी चाहिए क्योंकि जिम ज्वाइन किया तो यार ट्रेनर मिलना चाहिए, ऐसा हमें लगता है, बट ऐसा होता नहीं और वो इजीली 5,000 के अराउंड कॉस्ट होता है. तो we will provide you gym membership after signing up with that gym and personal coaching as well at 2,000 or 2,500 rupees.
Okay.
So these are the 3 things which differ us from our competitors.
Okay, the avatar thing was really interesting, and I hope our viewers as well as your consumers and customers will love it. So yeah. My next question is that what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
Currently, we have 75 trainers. We are planning to onboard next 100 trainers in 6 months. And our long-term goal is basically building a complete fitness ecosystem around gym. कि अगर आपको पर्सनल कोचिंग चाहिए तो जिम ट्रेनर्स, आपको अगर जिम जाना है तो वो भी जिम ट्रेनर्स, सप्लीमेंट हो वो भी जिम ट्रेनर्स, एक्सेसरीज और सप्लीमेंट्स वगैरह परचेज करना है वो भी जिम ट्रेनर्स से, और जो क्लोथिंग वगैरह होती है वो जिम ट्रेनर्स से, फिटनेस मशीनरीज जो वो भी जिम ट्रेनर्स से. बेसिकली कंप्लीट इकोसिस्टम अराउंड जिम.
Okay, so basically you have an expansion plan in future.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you planning to raise external funds? And if not now, then are you planning to do so in near future?
It would be great if we are able to make it like Zerodha. But yeah, if it requires additional funding, we will definitely do it in future, not currently, but in future.
Okay. So wrapping up this session, I would like to know the feedback on Startup Lanes, and also if you want to thank or appreciate someone from your team or friends and family, then please go ahead.
I really like the concept of Startup Lanes because I came across with several platforms जो प्रॉमिस करते हैं ना आपको इस टाइप से हेल्प कर देंगे, इस टाइप से हेल्प कर देंगे, डिजाइनिंग हो गई, फंड रेजिंग हो गई, नेटवर्किंग हो गई या किसी भी जगह, तो वो चीज वो एक्चुअली नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि उनके खुद के कनेक्शन स्ट्रांग नहीं है मार्केट के अंदर. बट आई रियली लाइक द कांसेप्ट ऑफ स्टार्टअप लेन बिकॉज इट इज वी आर आल्सो ट्राइंग to build our ecosystem around fitness and startup is also it's already an existing ecosystem of startup. आपको पिच डिजाइन कराना है, नेटवर्किंग करनी है, फंड रेज करना है, आपको मार्केट एनालिसिस करना है, मार्केट रिसर्च करना है, स्टार्टअप लेन आपको हेल्प करता है. तो आई रियली लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट. और आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक माय पेरेंट्स एंड स्पेशली साहिल who joined my team at early stage and built my product, and especially to my parents because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा करता हूँ, and when I lose 1 lakh rupees in my first year, कोई और पेरेंट होता तो probably वो कहता कि इसको बंद कर दो, नहीं हो पाएगा, but they supported me कि यार चल रहा है. मैंने भी बहुत खराब किया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, एक बार और ट्राई करते. तो after 7 it's finally इस product को बना पाया and we are getting very good responses.
Great, great. Sir, also thanks to you. Thank you for your time and for your crucial words. Thank you so much.